In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook Business Manager step by step. Facebook Business Manager, now called a business portfolio in Meta Business Suite, helps you manage your Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, ad accounts, and other business assets from one place. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Sign in with your personal Facebook account. If you don't already have a business portfolio, click Create a Business Portfolio or Create Business. Enter your business name, and your business email address. Then click Create. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your email address and complete the setup. Once your business portfolio is created, open Business Settings to add your Facebook page, create or add an ad account, connect your Instagram account, and add a payment method if needed. You can also invite employees or partners by opening the People section and assigning the appropriate permissions. After completing the setup, you'll be able to manage all your business assets, create ads, schedule posts, and track performance from the Meta Business Suite dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.